give young people a chance and sometimes they surprise you. This project was really sort of personal to us because we absolutely want to invest into the future of this industry. I'm Dwayne Walker, Sales Director for JHM Boat.
My name's Supalight, otherwise known as the Tyre Lady, from Westgate Tyres in Morecambe, which is my family business. I think when we have new students who want to start in the automotive industry, it's really important that they train on correct equipment, because otherwise when they come into the job, they have an unrealistic sort of approach to what they actually need to do.
Getting them used to working in a workshop environment, what a safe environment looks like in a workshop. Obviously exposing them to the equipment that they might see when they're out there working. So we installed 2 post lifts, the most common used product in the workshop. Tyre care, not just your traditional tyre changes, but also your leverless centre clamping, because that's something that is the future of tyre care. Your wheel balancers, also all your small tools or your trolley jacks. So pretty much everything that you'd see in a workshop.
I have 3 apprentices. Local to me, we don't have a huge establishment. It's only small, and I think that maybe the equipment it's great, but I don't think it's as good as here. So I think I'd be a lot more confident taking people on from a college that's like this, as you can tell that they've really put the time and effort into making sure the environment is safe. It's gonna lead them to a great start in their career, and I definitely think that Nottingham is safe in the hands of these apprentices.